Hello and welcome to Glenn's Small Engine Repair in Greenville, Texas, home of the free repair videos for outdoor power equipment. In this video, I'll be showing you how to test the ignition coil. This video is intended for the do-it-yourselfer. It's not necessarily the way it's done in the shop. Okay, the first thing we want to do here is pull out the spark plug. We're going to go ahead and pull this air filter off. We'll go ahead and pull this blower housing off. Okay, here's our ignition coil right here. Here's our kill wire. Here's the magnet. Should be about 13 thousandths clearance between there. A business, if you don't have anything else, a business card will work. You want to go ahead and unhook the kill wire, just like that. This kill wire, the only job it does is to kill the engine. When this wire goes to ground, the engine will die. So by unhooking this, we're isolating the ignition coil. Right now, it should fire very easily right now. This is how we test it in the shop. This fire tester has to be grounded. This has got almost a 1/4 inch gap in it. This coil needs to be able to jump that gap because it takes a lot more voltage to fire this plug when the engine's running. So you got to jump that gap there if it's going to be any good. Take an old piece of rope and handle and wrap around this so we can spin it over to check our fire. I'm going to zoom this in so you can see a little better. Looks like we got a good spark there. We got a real good spark there. At this point, our coil will be good. This is what we use in the shop. If you don't have one of these at home, you can take an old spark plug. Here I've taken an old spark plug that I know is good, and I've cut the ground off away from the electrode. If you don't have a spark tester at home, you can make you one out of an old plug. Just make sure it's a good plug. So we're going to stick our homemade spark tester on here. Make sure that this is grounded right there. And it should jump that distance there without any problem at all. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and spin the engine over now. Okay, looks like we got a real good spark there. Okay, at this point our ignition coil is good, it's passing the test. So at this point you want to go ahead and hook your kill wire back up. Make sure your throttle is set to the on position. And then try it again. And it should still give a real good spark. Okay? At this point our ignition coil is good, and our switch and our wiring is good. So if it still won't crank, we go on to something else. For more free videos, visit my website at smalleng.com. To ensure that these videos remain free for everyone, a small donation is appreciated. Thank you.